Take him up, Dary. Dary, you not say nothing?
What's up, guys? And I'm back with a new video, and today we are going to get a competition with me and Daddy.
Yeah.
And him already said me I go bomb him, so he can't talk from now cause him frightened, so me I go bomb him, so I can't go on now.
Guys, don't listen nothing to what Dary just said. Dary can't bomb me. Today is a competition, guys. Based on the energy and the feedback that I got from you guys from the last video, which was, I think it was yesterday or the day before, what I should do with the catch and cook with the fish tea. So that video is now. Hope you guys like this video. Please stick and say thank you so much for liking and sharing and subscribing to my channel and everything, guys. Please keep the growth up. Without you guys this is not possible. Right now we're out here looking some worms and stuff like that, me and my uncle. So we'll get deeper down into that, but after we leave here I'm just gonna pick a few stuff up for Dary to get to eat and for me to get to eat, and then we're just gonna get right into it, guys. So please stick and stay. Like I said before, thank you so much. Jamaica Wildlife is there. Peace out. All right. Yo, you have to buy sitting with the whole, you know.
You're my boss.
Bye, Perry. You have to get the cheese. Perfect.
I bring down this thing.
Kiss Lamo?
Yeah. Good morning,
baby. Alright guys, trust me, like Jamaicans are so creative. Look at this. I mean, this is a field with corn and everything like that, but these scarecrows, unreal. Yeah. Oh, listen. Give me this. I don't know that. Maybe it. No, say deep. Guys, see what are they? Yeah man, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. You know, we're reached to destination. Right now I'm not really sure how good the quality is. I don't have my big camera. I'm using the GoPro for the old water session and stuff like that. So right now we are on the lake in the background, as you can see. Yeah man, we are on the lake. Dary is right here. He's ready and waiting. This is a competition today. Dary, I am not your father. We are just friends. I have no remorse for whatever I'm gonna do to you right now. I'm gonna mess you up, boy. I'm gonna make sure I catch more fish than you right now. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Bait up, everything ready. May I use the run out line? Dary I go use the rod. Big advantage you have over me, but let's go. Yeah, Dary, I responsible, yeah, brother. You do your thing, me I do my thing. Remember, see you done taxi, you go ban me, no charge it.
Oh, this lucky the camera?
Oh, Dary, me say me no know. You they laugh. I don't know, Dary. So what I use, guys? I'm using the hand line. I'm using a battle line. Dary is using the floater line. So it's a bit of advantage for me. I mean for him, sorry. Yeah, but you don't know. So it is. Bait up and dash out, bad boy. That's the only thing we can tell you. Nothing else, alright? Alright guys, I think Dary just got a bite. Yeah. I saw his cork line made an effort of going under the water. Should I say water or water? Soon start get all the back and it look like he left it all on. Alright guys, welcome back again. what's going on right now, guys. I caught like maybe 4, 5 or 6, was not recording. The floated line, nothing is happening for it, so I'm gonna give Dary one of the sinker lines because he's crying for one of them, and I think to level the playing field off, I'm gonna just give him one. And I haven't been recording. I've been getting bites just right behind the boat right here, out here. So there, tossed one off, that one, and I'm gonna give it to Dary. Well, this. Alright guys, so as I give Dary one of the line, he's now super excited because the fish they're actually biting hard on the sink lines, right? So let's see if he can land one of them. His line is just right here behind the boat, and he's here. Did you catch him, Dary?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, and that is your first fish you've ever caught on a line that you cannot see whether or not you're getting a bite. Right? Take your hook out. Take your hook out, sir. Put your fish in your bag. Put your fish in your bag. Because if you let him go, you're on your own. Zip the zipper back. And that's it. Let me throw it up for you again. Guys, so, alright guys. So, my line, our line is already there. Look, we're just throwing right here. Pull it back just a little bit. And then all I'm doing is just letting mine down. Let it sinks and see who gets one first.
I need a band sinker. Mine not a band sinker, right?
No, but that can't stop you. You catch one already, right? Yes. Get a bite too. Both lines are going off.
Can't believe.
You stop from biting?
Alright, you stop with it now.
Take him in, Dary. Take him in, Dary. Take him in, Dary. Oh, snap. Oh, in the funny man. Oh, God. Look what Dary catch. Look what Dary. You have to throw back down the Dary. Too small. You want to show me say you know if you take off in something like that? Alright. No, man. That one is too small. Show him back. I'm fix back your arm and show it out for you. Alright? Dary, you rather get bite. Dary, take up your rod. Take up your rod. Show it back out. No, not like that. Not like that. Let me show it out. Okay, you can't.
Nice.
You catch him? You catch him, Dary?
Get off right. That's why I can't
believe you missed. 6 seconds. I'm going to have to talk back for you. Give me. Let me have it. You must say my line in the water too, you know. Run me see you now. Put it a while ago, Dary, and catch him. Make it sink. Hold on, make it go down. You have to wait until you run with you, Dary. Dary? Dary, pay attention to your line. Yeah, excited. Dary, the fish look like him dip on the line all while going to do, you know?
In the pan you long. In the play with you in the mouth.
Yes.
In the pan you long, the play with you. I can't believe.
Yo, you boss.
Go down and then carry.
Just take your time, man. You got this. You have to firmly grab your hook, remember. You do it right, but you have to grab the hook. You have to put power upon it. Come out yet? No. Alright, let me help you because that one kind of stuck. Alright, look, lend me. You hook, look, you have to firmly grab the hook, hold the fish. See how easy? Get your bag. Open. Lock it. Put it back around there. I can't believe someone catch that fish there. Jesus Christ.
Alright, now get back.
Yeah, get a bite.
Come here.
Watch ya!
Come here to daddy, what you mean?
Oh, this a big one away boy catch. But Jesus Christ.
Yes.
But you're not easy, Dary.
Yes, Jaja. Come here to daddy.
Let me help you with him, because if you make this one, I get to you cry. You see, same thing? Get your bag, get your bag. Yes, Dary. See it, even me get problems sometimes if I take it off, take it out of the mouth, you know. Zip it up quick. Or put the bag back around this. Yes, sir, Dary, Vincent, you're gonna lead. He's a top shotter.
Hi. Really like you think, you know, like in tough. You should have to catch one.
Dary, take up a stick line, Dary. Come on.
Time.
Drop it, sink it back. Make it stay right, sir. Box, come on.
Every time. You know what? Right, that's a yard time. Yes. So just,
No, you have to lift it up in your ear.
Can you check this one more time, please?
No man, it good which part it there, just find them soon find it. You have to watch his stick line to hear cause the fish them start biting now. So may I get a bite? Hey, I move it?
Alright, now get a bite.
Miss my one in a Dary.
Every time. Get more. Alright, Daddy.
You need to bite? Take him up, Dary.
Oh,
He miss.
still the funny. Still the funny.
Come off.
Finally, I'm a bit to come off.
You want to beat it up for you? Or you want to beat it up yourself?
Yeah, I'm a bit up. Come here. The other one.
Hold on, don't not up the line, not up the line. Reach for your bag.
And the big guys.
Take time and act like you pull it away from him a little bit and then no man, dry line. You feel nothing on it? You have him? Yeah, I missed them Dary, man. Give me it. Lego, Lego. Gate length, make it sink. Not like that. Watch out. The liner in the go off there. Dary, catch him now?
Come on.
Dary, I missed too much now. Come here, man.
Yeah.
Come here.
Guys, might get picked right now.
Dary, catch him the Dary. In the panny?
You thinking too small?
What up his size of me see?
Too small?
What you think? You have to make your own decision. Some point in life you have to learn how to do that. What you think? You think him too small or what you think about him?
I take him.
Yeah, keep that one there? Alright.
Easy.
Take him up there.
Oh God, I can't believe it.
After you miss a fish him. Chew what you like.
Might want a big one this time.
Eh?
I might want a big one this time.
If I want a big one, you have to join me better than that. You have to join me in your line and handle up on your hand. So you have to dry still, but try your first time I use the run out. Alright guys, Dary is having a whole lot of fun, trust me. It was supposed to be a competition, it's actually still a competition while teaching them a certain techniques, right? So right now I'm gonna bring him back in. Yeah, get a bite? Yeah man, me still a record man. I'm gonna bring him back in, he's getting a bite right now, I'm gonna bring him back in and I'll see you guys in I'll see you guys in the kitchen where we are gonna do fish tea, but I think Dary wants to fry a couple of his. Not sure, but that you guys will get a chance to see also, alright? So stay tuned. What's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel again. You don't know, so right now it is the next morning. Dary is here. You don't know, so right now we're gonna cook up some fish and one more that thing same way.
Yes sir.
So what we going with there? Where is Dary?
Me and me talk say, I go bond daddy.
Alright.
And me get bond instead, so.
I don't really bomb me get me just catch more than your bomb when you not catch none at all, yeah?
Oh.
Yes, so by my opposite. Yeah man, so guys, right now, you don't know, we are getting in the kitchen, we are cook up some soup and some something. Other catch quite a few, say more bring two go give mother, which is not a problem. You don't know, it come down mothers first in everything. Shout out to all the mothers. And we're gonna cook up some soup, so stay tuned for that. Get to show started, alright? Gang! Yeah guys, so right now we're there in the kitchen, and you don't know a great Benjie himself, that for all of my old viewers and old subscribers, you guys are familiar with him. I'm my stepfather. Him always in the kitchen, so I'm gonna do fish tea today. We have pumpkin, scallion thyme, carrot, cock soup, Irish, everything. We have everything what we need here, so okra, you don't know. Yeah man, and we have 6 little fish them. We have 6 of them. Bigger ones have to cook with rice and peas, alright? So stay tuned. Yeah guys, so you don't know, we always have to prep a little ingredients. So we have pumpkin, don't know. Benjie I deal with them pumpkin right there, so peel off your skin. Me like pumpkin skin still, so everybody different, you know? Yeah man. Benjie himself. Yeah guys, that's our Irish potato. Yeah guys, look, most me forget that piece of ingredients here, you know? Yellow yam. Can't live out yellow yam and white yam out of soup, but now we don't have no white yam, so I use your yellow yam. Jaja God. Guys, I say no time yellow yam good, look on the stain and run out of it. Yeah guys, so our boiling water, you know, add some salt as normal, and then your main ingredients. Very colorful, trust me. Alright guys, so that's our flour already, because you know you need a few dumplings in your fish tea. Alright? Alright guys, so that's the outcome of the flour, if you haven't seen my previous video. But look, this is a different style one that we're using right now. These ones are roly-poly, so these ones we use in soup most of all, yeah? Unlike this one, fish tea, so you don't know, it will be like this, right? Yeah man, we're getting there guys. And yeah, Dary is outside dealing with his fish, said he wants to fry them, so let's go check on that while Benjie is sorting out this fish tea, alright? So I'll be back in the kitchen. Let me go check on the Dary. Alright, so what Dary are going with. Wait, Dary, you have a whole heap of smoke going out as a man. Dary, fire back. Yeah, the seasoned fish. Alright guys, so Dary decides say him no want fish tea. He want fish tea, but he want fry film fish them. See boss a season up in fish them, the smoke a killer though Dary. I have to help you from the fire. Alright guys, stay tuned. Later on down we see what Dary are going with. Nice okra. Guys, just look at that already. And the cock soup not gone in our soup yet. That is just the natural pumpkin and the season them in it. Yeah? Oh my days. Look at that man. We have some more ingredients we are going to add in soon. We're going to see what going. Alright guys, so Dary season up him fish them. And him have him oil. You don't know. Put on the pan Dary. Make it hot you know. Alright, so we got add our grace cock soup. Already have a scallion and with thyme that we just put into it. Yeah man, so the fish and the okra going a bit later than everything else. Don't want them to cook out too much, or it doesn't really matter, yeah? Show it a little bit more man, because I must have fair fish. Alright, alright. Yo, it soup smell nice already, you know? Guys, I swear, just look at that, guys. I'm not even exaggerating right now. Smells delicious. Yo, fish them are going there yet, you know? My God. Alright, guys, so you don't know, see, other are ready, yeah? I put in the fish there with that island and run. Yeah, I was born, maybe not have to run. Wanna? You can't cook if you're afraid of them, you know. Put in our fish them now. Make them melt way. Don't know. Yes, sir. Guys, just stay tuned, alright? The one of them. Yeah, man, so. See it there?
I'm scared now, watch it. Pine tight. Killing no one. Can't catch it.
Alright, guys, so. You plate land, or are done fry and fish them. Benjie share out the soup, you know. Look at that. Alright, guys, so there you have it. Other for my mother and for me. Let's go eat, alright? Come on. Guys, so you don't know we at it again. Yeah, man, after everything, see the Dary fry fish them there, you don't know. They look bad. Fish tea done there. See my mother around there, so they see my mums mash up their fish tea.
Not true, man. Bad luck on gas.
Yeah.
Can't manage and bring up an argument, but you can't manage and
Alright, guys, but like always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Share this video if you believe in this video, guys. Comment. Play it hot, man. But like always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Saying peace out, God bless, and one love, alright? Blessings.
I'm going to go to the chef.
Good job. Man up.
I'm going to show you off and put in there.
Yeah, guys, so mash up on a Dary fry fish, you know.
Dary can fry fish, man.
Tastes nice, man. You fry good boil and salt.
Instead of putting the salt in, I see. And the black pepper, mix up and do it.
It's good for you.